Dear all, wish you a very good day. In the previous lecture, we have seen about error detecting codes. Okay, error detecting codes are those codes which are used or frequently utilized for a detection of 1-bit error or a 2-bit error in a particular transmitted data. Okay, in this we have started from a parity, even parity, odd parity. Then there was some check, or most often which is known as checksum, and a block parity. Then there were few other codes which were briefly discussed. Now in the present lecture we are going to look at error correcting codes. Okay, these are codes specially designed to correct at least 1-bit error, or to correct 1-bit error in the transmitted code word, and they can detect more than one errors in a code word. Okay, Hamming code is one of the most important of these error correcting codes, and most of the focus throughout this lecture will be on Hamming's code. So let us begin. Error correcting code. A code is said to be error correcting code if the corrected code word can always be deduced from an erroneous word. So if there is a 100% probability that we can detect erroneous word from a code word and correct it, then only the code word or the utilizing code will be known as error correcting code. A code can be single bit error correcting code if it has a minimum distance of 3, but it can detect, and however it cannot correct, but it can detect 2-bit errors. Okay, the key to error correction is that it must be able to detect and locate erroneous digits. If location is determined, then complementing the digit, the error can be corrected, because the error is only in the form of conversion of 1 to 0 or 0 to 1 due to some fault in the system. Okay, so in this type of error detecting codes or error correcting codes, the most famous one is 7-bit Hamming code. Okay, now so 7-bit Hamming code was derived by, or it was generated by R.W. Hamming. He developed a system that can easily be implemented for error correction. This technique provides an orderly way to add one or more parity bit to the data character to allow error detection and correction. In the similar way, the 15-bit and 12-bit Hamming codes are also present. We will be looking in details how error can be corrected, or how the present code can be utilized for error detection, and so on. Okay, now first of all we need to because we are working on 7-bit Hamming code, so we need to see how many there will be data bits and how many there will be parity bits. So to find the number of parity bits, the following equation is used. 2 to the power p is greater than or equal to m plus p plus 1. Okay, where m is the formation of the data bit, p is the total number of parity bits used. Okay, so the placement of this parity bits is given by the formula 2 to the power k minus 1, where this is the formula 2 to the power k minus 1, where k can assume any value from 1 to 3 and so on. Okay, and this should be from the least significant digit side of the code word. Okay, so if we are working on 4 bits, or we have a 4-bit data, then according to this, so to transmit a 4-bit data, 3 parity bits located at the position 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2 are used from the left and are added to make a 7-bit code word. So there will be the system will be something like this. 2 to the power 0 will be first parity bit, then second parity bit p2 will be at 2 to the power 1. Okay, second location. Then there will be a data bit, then according to problem 2 to the power 2 at position 4 there will be a parity bit. then D5, D6 and D7 will all be data bits. So 4 data bits and 3 parity bits make a proper 7-bit Hamming code. Okay. Now we have generated the code. Now we will have to see how the code can be utilized for error detection and correction. Okay, in the above, D are the data bits and P are the parity bits. Now parity bit is set to 0 or 1 such that we get an even parity. Now how the code words are set, or how we can how to make a even parity. Okay, so for a parity bit P1, we will make a even parity if this P1 bit along with data bit 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so we will use P1, then we will use D3, D5 and D7, and we will set the number of 1 and the parity bit such that even parity is maintained. Similarly, P2 is set to be 0 or 1 so that we can set an even parity with data bits 2, 3, 6 and 7. Okay, so data bits here are different and here the data bits are different. Here we have taken data bits 3, 6 and 7 and parity bit P2. So P2 will be set to 0 or 1 by checking the parity bit in these 4 bits. Then finally P4 is again set to an even parity. Okay, it will take a position of 0 or 1 depending upon the bits 4, 5, 6 and 7, that is P4, D5, D6 and D7. Okay, so we can see that P1, P2 and P4 all assume even parity, but for assuming even parity they have different data bits which are utilized. Okay, so at the receiving end the message received in the Hamming code is decoded to see any error have occurred. Now bits 1357, 2367 and 4567 all are checked for even parity. Okay, if they are maintaining a proper even parity, and then there will not be an error detected. However, if there is an error, the error bit needs to be checked and we need to find out at which bit there is error. So we can precisely detect that there is error in a particular bit by using this 3-bit, by forming this 3-bit binary word. Okay, which is composed of C3, C2 and C1. Now C1 will be an XOR between P1, D3, D5, D7, that is the different bits which were used. Then C2 will be P2, D3, D5 and D7 XORing each of these bits, and C3 will be P4, D5, D6 and D7 XORing these 4 bits. Now if you will pay attention, then these are the same bits which were used for setting the parity in P1, P2 and P4. Okay, by using this method we can exactly detect at which word there is an error, and we can just change that word from 0 to 1 and we will get the correct answer. Okay, so out of the 3 parity checks, and the error bit is then corrected by complementing. Now similar to the 7-bit Hamming code, we have 15-bit Hamming code. Okay, it is utilized to transmit 11-bit data, and we are using 4 parity bits because for a 11-bit data till 16 4 parity bits are only required. Okay, so the parity bit position will be 2 to the power 0, 1, 2 and 3, that is the positions P1, P2, P4 and P8. Okay, the rule is same, 2 to the power k minus 1, where k is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, and these are added from LSB towards MSB. Okay, so 11 data bits and 4 parity bits will make our 15-bit code word which is transmitted. The format of the code word will be something as follow: P1, P2, D3, P4, D5, D6, D7, P8, D9, D10, D11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now again parity P1 is set to be 0 or 1. Parity P1 is set to be 0 or 1 to establish an even parity between 1357, 9, 11, 13 and 15. P2 is set to be 0 or 1 to establish an even parity for 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14 and 15. P4 is set to be 0 or 1 again by establishing even parity between 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14 and 17. P8 is set to 0 or 1 by establishing even parity between 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will have to remember which bit goes with the particular parity to form the complete parity. And in the similar way, 12-bit Hamming code can also be used, okay, and it is utilized for transmitting 8-bit data. And again, because 12 is less between 8 and 16, so 4 parity bits will be used. The location will be same as 15-bit data, and these will be 2 to the power 0, 1, 2 and 3 from the left side, that is LSB. Okay, format of the word will be P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, 10, 11 and 12. The parity will be checked something as follow. P1 is set to 0 or 1 to make an even parity between 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. P2 is set to 0 or 1 to make an even parity for 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11. P4 is set to 0 or 1 so as to make an even parity between 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12. And similarly P8 is set to 0 or 1 so as to make an even parity over 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12. Okay. Now if we want to generate if there is an error, we have to generate an error code. So we know that which parity bit is utilized with data bit. We will just XOR them, and we will in this case form a 4-bit data word to detect the error in a particular bit. Okay, this is all for the present lecture. Thank you.